Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do, or you will need to do, is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the select button. After the watch turns on, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down, find the language you'd like to use on your watch and tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will see the QR code on the screen. And that means we need to download and install the Zepp application on the phone that we want to pair our watch with. So go to your phone, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on search, then search bar and type in Zepp with two P's at the end. Then tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, Zepp, formerly AMAZFIT. Tap on install to install it. Okay, and once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, you will need to log in into a Zepp account, or you can use the third-party account like Facebook, Google, or Xiaomi. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in into mine. You can also create a new account by tapping on sign up, the Zepp account if you want to. Okay, so let's log in. After you log in, you probably will see the homepage of the app. Now tap on profile, and here you should see a category or page, or maybe section of the page called My Devices. And under it you will see Add Device, but tap on it. Select the watch, tap on Got It, allow the required permission, tap on Got It, and allow the required permission. And now, basically what we need to do is to point the phone's camera at the watch so we can scan the QR code. So grab our phone, point the camera at the watch, and we'll scan the QR code, and it's gonna start connecting the device. Now tap on pair. Then tap on the check mark to confirm. Here we can synchronize data from our account. So if you had previous devices, you can synchronize settings and the PAI data if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on set as new, but if you want to synchronize it, you can do it. Then tap on done, done, and allow ordinary permission for other stuff like calls and stuff like that. This is useful for notifications. So if somebody calls you on your phone, you will have the notification on your watch and it will display who's calling you and stuff like that. If you want to use the notifications and other features like that, you will need to allow the permissions. If you don't care, you can deny them. If you see this pop up, we can allow the Bluetooth permission, or rather permission for the Bluetooth calls. So again, it's useful for the notifications and stuff like that. If you want to use it, tap on go to settings. And what you need to do is to find the AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro BA4. So basically, the another AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro will appear at available devices list. You need to tap on it. Tap on pair, tap on the check mark, and then you will have two AMAZFIT Cheetah Pros on the paired devices list. And once you do, you can use your watch for calls. So basically you can call people from your watch, I believe. Or rather, at least start the call on your watch for your phone. I believe that's how it works. Okay, and let's go back to the Zepp application. And as you can see, more permissions. And I'm gonna allow them, but you can deny them. Okay, and once we're done with the permissions, finally you will see the device page for your AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro, and here you have different options and stuff like that. But that means that the watch is paired with our phone, and we can use our watch, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.